Hey y'all, it's your girl D coming back with set. Listen, see, I messed up in the beginning. I'm not even about to. I'm not cutting this out. What's up, y'all? It's your girl D. Every time I try to not be myself, it don't work out. Hmm, maybe I shouldn't try. I be trying to get into the vibe of like, content creator. You got to be high energy, but I'm sick to being myself because when I'm being myself, I don't mess up. Anywho, let's get right into it. Today's topic is diversified funding plans. That is what we have at my nonprofit. I wanted to come by and share our list with you. Maybe it may help you, maybe not, but at least you'll have a few things that you can consider to diversify your funding in your particular organization. Let's get right into it. As always, number one, donations. I don't even got to look down at the paper for that one, y'all. Donations. This is the most common one amongst all nonprofits. I don't care who you are. They're asking you, well, are you getting any donations? And who are they coming from? What kind of donations? Are they monetary or in kind? Right? Right. Moving on. Grants. Whew, that's a topic I feel like I beat into y'all head. I don't think we even need to really go into that. They're self-explanatory, and if you still need a reminder, please go look at my other videos. There's tons of proposal elements and are you grant ready, etc. type of videos in my channel. Please, please, please like, share, subscribe, support. Moving on. Corporate partnerships. We need corporate partnerships. I don't care who you are. You can partner with corporations or businesses that align with your mission, and they will help you out. This is real stuff. Next one, fundraising events. Y'all know I love me an event, not to be confused with programs. Activities and programs are two different things, remember? But these particular events, you tell people I'm raising money for, period. I'm raising money to do XYZ. All proceeds go to XYZ. That is a fundraising event. Fee for service is the next one. I know so many people get stuck here because they're like, no, you cannot do that. That's illegal. Y'all are gonna go to jail. First of all, I tell my people when they're gonna go to jail, and this is not one of the ones they will go to jail for. I said what I said, and ain't nobody gonna make me change my mind. Go read, and go read some more, and you'll realize that this is very legal. Okay? Let's go over what fee for service can look like. Consulting. Fee for service under your programs. You can have businesses under your programs owned by the nonprofit. Consulting is one of those style of businesses. Workshops. Yep. Clock that T. Training programs. Train the trainer programs. Clock it. Clock it. hmm Make sure they appropriately cover what it is that you're trying to do to generate income. Make sure the costs that you have to cover, like let's just use a workshop, you need materials. You got to do a whole lot of printing and workbooks, and you might want to have nice pens with your logos on. You want to make sure it's covering that cost. You're not a for-profit, but you're definitely charging for this particular service, and you're writing that off on your taxes. Okay? You're writing that on your taxes. You're reporting that, not writing it off. Ooh, correction. Sorry, I had to catch myself. You're not a for-profit. You're a nonprofit. Forgive me. Moving on. I told you I'm human. Merchandise sales. Sell your t-shirts, sell your cups. Sell your t-shirts, sell your cups. Sell them all, sell them all, sell them all. You can do this. No one's stopping you. It needs to be related to your cause. It can have your logo on it. It can be a catchphrase. It could be your slogan, like ours is no matter the circumstance. Yep, break the cycle, no matter the circumstance. That's us. Don't steal it because it's trademarked. Anywho, what about sponsorships? We talked about sponsorships, but we probably go over that in a more in-depth detail as well. This video is not going to be long. We about to be done. So I hope you was listening. Sponsorships are self-explanatory in my opinion. You say, hey, we're doing this. We would love for you to be a sponsor. This is what you would get. This is how you can be represented at our events, on our flyer, on our social media. We can give you a shout out. We can put your logo on the flyer, etc. Pretty much that business is going to be able to gain some sort of influence throughout the crowd, throughout the event, throughout the marketing, and they're giving you money or in-kind donations to be able to do that. That's sponsorships. Membership program. we're moving in this direction. You want to be able to offer those members something. If they're going to pay a membership fee, have something for them. Have something nice for them at that. Um, I'm not saying go break the bank, but have a report. Make sure they know their impact. If they're a monthly donor, send them something monthly. If they're a yearly donor, send them something yearly. I would say send them something quarterly, monthly, however you see fit, whatever you have the capacity for, but be sending these people something, letting them know, hey, we appreciate your donation. We appreciate your membership fees. This is what your membership pays for. This is how that money or those in-kind donations are used, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And that's pretty much it for today, y'all. I just wanted to show you something that is very real and very easy to do. You could probably come up with this yourself. You really don't have to hire a me to do this. You just have to sit down, think of what you want your, funding to look like. Not to be confused with fundraising, but you can go find Miss Jen for that. Her name is Miss Jen Yarborough. I'm probably saying that wrong, but look her up. Okay, she's amazing. She has us in this 10-day fundraising challenge right now, and we are killing it. She's giving us exactly what we need to hear. She's not sugarcoating anything. Y'all know I give credit where credit is due, and when I say she's in there dropping some gems and preaching, hmm, you got to go check her out. She's on LinkedIn. She's on YouTube. She's somewhere everywhere. I might drop her link in one of my comment sections so y'all can go look her up because this 10-day challenge will most likely like change your life. And I'm telling you, hmm, we're honored to be a part, okay? It was mandatory for me by one of the nonprofits that I'm working with. I don't mind mandatory. It was very, very cost effective. It was not very expensive, and anybody that takes it will definitely benefit from it. So please go look her up. She's amazing. Shout out to Miss Jen. She's definitely gonna get you straight. She's gonna teach you how to go get that money. She's gonna teach you how to get that ask. She's gonna make sure that you're ready. She's not gonna just send you out here telling people I need a grant. She's gonna make sure you're ready to get the grant. Okay, so moving on. Like I said, this is our diversified income plan for my particular nonprofit, Break the Cycle 757. Donations, grants, corporate partnerships, fundraising events, fee for service programs, merchandise sales, sponsorships, and membership program. That's us for the year 2025. We are planning on, elevating all of the areas that we already do this in. We've been in business for about 9 years this year. Our birthday's in May. Um, and we're just excited for where we're headed.